Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we'll be looking at post-market analysis. We'll look at Nifty and Bank Nifty, and also we'll be looking at tomorrow's level for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's have a look. Before that, if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Let's continue right now. So let me open a Nifty chart right now. See if I open up a Nifty chart here, you can see that right now currently Nifty is hovering around the support levels. This is the support level which we discussed in yesterday video. If you're not yet watched our yesterday's video, please go back and watch the yesterday's video so that you'll understand better. So if you look at, this is the support. Okay, this is the support. From last 1 week you can see that market is hovering around that level only. Okay, still it is not able to bounce back actually. So I told you there is a possibility it can break and go down also, or else it can rally if it, let's say for example, let me put the support back here. If it breaks this high, it can go back to these levels also. Okay, so that is what the Nifty is currently doing. Let's have a look at this. Yesterday I told you that today it's going to be there, it has to break high and go, or else it's going to be a sideways. Today is a sideways, you can see that completely now in hourly chart. If the momentum has to come back to the market, means this high has to break actually. If this high breaks means then we can expect some momentum higher side in a bank Nifty. Actually, this is the first level which we can see. Tomorrow, since it is like, for example, it's a Friday, it's going to be tomorrow. So we don't see much momentum. Probably it may come like this and again go sideways. Probably in the next week, we can see some bounce, or if it wants to break support, it can break support and go down actually. Till this high, as we discussed earlier already, till this high breaks, there is no confirmation in Nifty yet for uptrend actually. Once that breaks, then we can say that Nifty is entering into the uptrend actually. If I go back to the 1 day chart, you will see that tomorrow we'll do the weekly analysis. You'll understand by that time. Okay, so this is the high which we are talking about. So this has to break, and final one which we are looking for, this one. If this breaks 24,800 or something, then Nifty can resume its uptrend actually. Till the time there is no uptrend yet, there is a possibility it can go back and come back and break and go down again. So that possibility is also there. We should not ignore that. Why I was talking about that? Because if I open Nifty Bank Index, okay, so Nifty Bank, let me open Nifty Bank actually. So yeah, so if I open this, you can see that right now Nifty Bank today also it is not moved. Yesterday there is a momentum, today there is no momentum. So this is the gap I was talking about. Still that the gap is not being filled yet. There is a possibility in the coming days it can fill. Before that, what it can do, it can go and touch these levels and come back, and probably it can rally to this level and come back and fill this, then it can come back again like that. There is a possibility also, there is like that, we cannot ignore that. So then if it happens like that, it will be good actually. Since that gap is filled, it can move higher after that. Until this levels breaks, we cannot say Nifty is in uptrend actually. Once this main important levels are there, let me show you. This is the important levels. If these levels breaks means, then Nifty bank trend may continue actually. Okay, so yes, this is if I go back to 1 hour chart, and you can see that if I go back to 1 hour chart actually, so here from here to here there is a possible momentum. Probably when it can give that momentum, we will see that once this level breaks, then we can see tomorrow it is not, I think it can come back and stay sideways probably, or something like that, or it can break lower side and go start going lower also. To fill these gaps, we need to wait and see for this. Little bit careful we have to be here. The conclusion is that we have to be a little bit more careful. We will see next week what happens with the market. Okay, so and also we will discuss about some chart ideas for the stocks and all, like next week also. Okay, until then you have to be a little bit careful. Conclusion is that still there is no confirmation yet. It is just in a sideways market today, and we'll see what happens, but you have to keep gaps in mind. Okay, so if you like this video, and please do subscribe, and please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'll be coming with another video. Until then, please take care.